Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so very much for joining me for Craft with 5. Each month, Bourbon Creek Crafts gives us a list of 5 things. It's a collaboration that she puts on, and we gather those items. And they're not very hard, not very specific. You could play along with us even if you don't have a lot of stuff. This month was triangle, turquoise, twine, flower, and words. So let me show you what I put together. I couldn't find a triangle stamp. I couldn't find a triangle die. So I cut triangles out of my paper. So there's my triangles. And then turquoise, I made my whole card. And then I was like, I feel like I'm forgetting something. And I was like, well, is this kind of turquoise? No. So I went and got a heart die and cut a piece out of a turquoise paper. Is that teal, turquoise? I think it works. And then the twine, this actually came from, those pull cords for like light bulbs? I recycled it. So if you're a junk journaler person, you always recycle. But even if you're a card maker, there's a certain amount of recycling and reuse that you can do. Then flowers, I die cut this flower out of gold. And then I wanted to layer it with the ephemera. I think I was using the ephemera and then I wanted like a big pop flower and I couldn't decide. So that's why I made the gold one. Always goes with everything. Words. So I have Daddy's Girl up here and then I put Amy right here. So it is a personalized card and it should mail pretty easy even with the knot. I think it'll be fine. Look at that. I tied a bow. I never tie bows. I don't like tying bows. Super fun. The thing that's great about this challenge is I would never have made this card without it. I wouldn't have thought to do the triangles. Then I experimented, and at first I had Daddy's Girl down here, and I needed more space, and vertical with the AMY. It turned out really cool. So if you play along with us, you will make something that you would not have made otherwise, and I think that's fun. It's not the kind of collaboration where you have to spend a day looking for an item or flipping through magazines. It's flexible enough that you can make it happen. Be sure to check out the other collaborators. There's a playlist down below so you can follow it and see the videos. That works a little better than a hashtag. Then you just have that playlist and you can go along and find the videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. I'll be back again with either Smash That Small Pad or something else fun before then. Take great care of yourselves. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.